of arc here in beautiful Santa Barbara, California. It's actually just a bunch of smog and dirt. Anyway, looky what I got. Woo! 2023 Surron Ultra Bee. Just got it yesterday. Did one little quick ride and now I'm at my local trail doing a battery range test, seeing which regen settings are gonna be the best. There's engine and braking regen. So first day we'll try 0-0, second day we'll try 0-5, then 5-5, and then 5-0, and then maybe even like 2-2 or something like that. So probably 5 different rides.
No way, Jose!
We'll see exactly how far this beauty will go. Hopefully it'll help everyone out. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep making these videos and giving some good info, and we'll get everyone out of their battery range anxiety so you don't get towed back home with your buddy's tow rope.
Hey guys, I'm also going to make another video reviewing the Surron Ultra Bee and comparing it to my KTM 300 two-stroke. So stay tuned for that one coming out soon.
So we're at 100% battery. Trip meter 0. I also got GPS on my phone. Today we're going to do regen settings at 0-0. So B, braking is 0 and engine is 0. And ARS, traction control, will be off at 0. We will be in daily mode pretty much all day except some of the hill climbs. We'll try sport mode. Here we go. And also I'm running the stock wheels, 19-inch wheels with the stock tires. Front tire pressure is 15, the rear tire pressure is 13. Stock sprocket, stock chain. We went 5.3 miles. We're down to 87%. Wow. All right, let's head over to Easy Street. A little more single track. Made it to the top of the world. It's pretty awesome up here. Loving this Ultra. She's a beauty. She's a winner. These chips are stale.
I'll eat the shit. I don't care.
Just hit 30 miles with 19% battery left, so the fuel light just came on at 18%, and it's in sport mode, and it lost a lot of power. Look at that, it's pinned. Wow. I better head back to the truck.
Oh, you betcha, yeah.
Made it back to the truck. We got 8% left with 34 miles total. I want to see what happens if I keep going. At 7%, still going up this hill, 20 miles an hour. We're at 0%. See if it'll go up this hill. Pretty steep hill. Still going. Downhill it'll still haul ass. 0%. 39 miles. Still going. This is pretty level right here. And it's about to go a little bit downhill right here. 25, 30 miles an hour. Nothing. No throttle. Wow. 0. Let's see what the odometer says. Oh. AL error. But it was at 40.
All right, guys, it's the next morning, and I just charged it up, so I can read the trip meter now. There it is, 41 miles total. Not bad. And here's a screenshot of the GPS on my phone to confirm it matches up with the bike. A lot better than I thought it would do. So I was mainly daily mode. I was only in sport mode for a couple hill climbs, maybe 5 minutes total the whole ride, so pretty good. And I think the rest of the rides are going to be 100% battery to 50% battery. It's just to save me some time. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helps you. And stay tuned for next ride, where the engine regen will be on 5 and braking regen will be on 0. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.